Part 1. Trainer. Listen and repeat the 3 forms of the irregular verb.
Be, was, were. Been, be, was, were, been. Can, could. Been able to. Can, could. Been able to. Go, went, gone. Go, went, gone. See, saw, seen. See, saw, seen. Eat, ate, eaten. Eat, ate, eaten. Drink, drank, drunk. Drink, drank, drunk. Take, took, taken. Take, took, taken. Give, gave, given. Give, gave, given. Make, made, made. Make, made, made. Come, came, come, come, came, come. No, knew, known. No, knew, known. Think, thought, thought. Think, thought, thought. Tell, told, told. Tell, told, told. Begin, began, begun. Begin, began, begun. Feel, felt, felt. Feel, felt, felt. Leave, left, left. Leave, left, left. Bring, brought, brought. Bring, brought, brought. Read, read, read. Read, read, read. Run, ran, run, run, ran, run. Meet, met, met. Meet, met, met. Lose, lost, lost. Lose, lost, lost. Get, got, got. Get, got, got. Drive, drove, driven. Drive, drove, driven. Choose, chose, chosen. Choose, chose, chosen. Catch, caught, caught. Catch, caught, caught. Buy, bought, bought. Buy, bought, bought. Teach, taught, taught. Teach, taught, taught. Write, wrote, written. Write, wrote, written. Find, found, found. Find, found, found. Do, did, done. Do, did, done. Put, 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 put.
Now listen to the example sentences in present simple, past simple and present perfect. Pay attention to signal words for each tense.
She is happy today. She was happy yesterday. She has been happy all week. He can swim fast. He could swim fast when he was younger. He has been able to swim fast for years. We go to school every day. We went to school yesterday. We have gone to school all week. I see my friends at weekends. I saw my friends last weekend. I have seen my friends this week. They usually eat lunch at noon. They ate lunch at noon yesterday. They have already eaten lunch. He always drinks water after running. He drank water 10 minutes ago. He has drunk 3 glasses of water. I often take the bus to work. I took the bus to work yesterday. I have taken the bus twice this week. She sometimes gives me a gift. She gave me a gift yesterday. She has given me many gifts recently. We make pizza on Fridays. We made pizza last Friday. We have made pizza today. They sometimes come to class early. They came to class early yesterday. They have already come to class. I know the answer. I knew the answer yesterday. I have known the answer for a long time. He thinks about his future. He thought about his future last night. He hasn't thought about it yet. She tells me a story every evening. She told me a story yesterday. She has told me many stories so far. The class begins at 9 a.m. The class began at 9 a.m. yesterday. The class has just begun. I feel tired today. I felt tired yesterday. I have felt tired all day. She always leaves the office at 5. She left the office at 5 yesterday. She has already left the office. They never bring their books to class. They brought their books last week. They have brought their books today. He reads a book every night. He read a book last night. He has read many books this month. We run in the park twice a week. We ran in the park yesterday. We have run 5 kilometers today. I meet new people when I go on holiday. I met new people last week. I have met many people this week. He often loses his keys. He lost his keys last Monday. He has lost his keys again. She gets up at 7 a.m. on weekdays. She got up at 7 a.m. yesterday. She has just got up. I drive to work every day. I drove to work yesterday. I have driven to work all week. They usually choose a good film to watch. They chose a good film yesterday. They haven't chosen a film yet. He catches the bus at 8. He caught the bus yesterday. He has never caught a train. She buys fruit at the market every Friday. She bought fruit at the market yesterday. She has never bought fruit in this shop. I teach English to children. I taught English in Italy last year. I have taught English for 5 years. He writes emails every day. He wrote 10 emails yesterday. He has written 5 emails since 9 a.m. I always find good prices online. I found a good price yesterday. I have just found the best price. She does her homework in the evening. She did her homework yesterday. She has already done her homework. I hardly ever put my keys on the table. I put my keys there yesterday. I have just put my keys on the table.